We're coming upon that time of the year when everybody and their mother is going to try to sell you a program to get an agent. And the search will begin. And you are amazing and you have so much to offer. And whether it's in the near future or some time from now, you will partner with an agent or manager if you haven't already. It's an important milestone in the life of all professional actors. Now here's the problem. So many actors think that after they sign with a rep, they're good. They can sit back and be ready and let the opportunities just roll in. I'm here to tell you that after you sign with an agent or manager, that's when the real work begins. Now, I'll give you this. A lot of us who have reps, we're no longer self-submitting. So that aspect of the work is taken care of in many cases, unless you still want to submit for other categories in order to be seen for categories that your rep may not be focused on. For example, one of my clients, who's a rep for TV and film, still regularly submits himself for theater work. But there's a whole nother list of things that you should be doing. So, in the table, our members learn how to become their rep's number one client, how to nurture that relationship, what numbers to be aware of to evaluate how things are going, how to make sure they're giving them all the tools they need to be very successful at getting them opportunities, when and how to acknowledge your rep's work. The list goes on and on. It's like a marriage in a lot of ways. The wedding is exciting, but then life begins. So do not make the mistake of getting married and then not working on the relationship. We want this to be a long, rewarding partnership, and that is within your control.